Question 4. We're on the top of a 20-metre tower. We're throwing a ball out horizontally. We don't know how far, we don't know the speed, and we're going to try and find it, and it's going to hit the ground here 24 metres away. It's going to go down like that. Well, first of all, as usual, let's work on vertically. I'm going to take downwards to start with, because initially it's 0 U. I don't know what V is, I'm not really interested. I know that A is 9.8 and 9.8 plus because I'm talking about going downwards. And S, we know how far it's going to go down. It's going to be 20 meters down because this height was 20 here. And I'm trying to find out what T is. So S equals UT plus half AT squared. I've got 20 here equals 0 plus a half times 9.8 times T squared. So 20 times by 2, divide by 9.8, and then square root it. That gets me that T is 2.02. I worried for a minute that I'd got the questions mixed up. It is the same time as last time. T equals 2.02 seconds. So horizontally, of course, it's starting at U. We don't know what that is. We do know now the time. The time is 2.02, and we do know the distance it travels. S is 24, and so I'm just going to do 24 divided by the 2.02 to find out that the initial speed must have been 11.9 meters per second. Now there's a nice second part to this, in that what we've now got to do is see, well, what happens, will it clear, how much will it clear this wall here? Now, this wall here is 24 meters from the base. No, sorry, this wall here is 13 meters high, and it's 12 meters away from there. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually find out horizontally, how long does it take to get here? So we do know that U now is 11.9. We do know the distance I want here is 24. And so the time it takes to do that is 24 divided by 11.9, which is 1.01 seconds. And I feel a bit silly now, really, because of course it is just half of that, because it's half the distance there. So we could have just done that. Now, let's work vertically and find out where we are vertically. Where are we after 1.01 seconds? So I've got U is 0. I've got A is 9.8. We're trying to find out what S is this time. And I now know that T is 1.01. So I use an S equals UT plus a half AT squared. So I've got 0 plus a half times 9.8 times 1.01 squared. And that tells us that we've travelled 5 meters, or minus 5 meters. So that means I'm 5 meters down from where we started with. So clearly I'm at 15 meters now then, aren't I? Which means I've got a 2 meters gap. 2 meter gap, we're 2 meters above the wall at that point. I suppose I've done quite a lot there, haven't I? So look, this bit here gave us an answer of minus 5 meters. No, sorry, that point there gave me an answer of 5 meters. That told me I'd gone 5 meters down there to there. If I'd gone 5 meters down, it meant I was at 15 meters high, which was 2 meters above the top of the wall.